Trying to install a PPI plugin file into Photoshop and it's not showing up in your Filters menu? Plugin installation can be tricky if files aren't in the right place. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through getting these Photoshop plugins working. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a PPI file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. PPI files are plugin files designed for Adobe Photoshop, providing additional filters, effects, import, export capabilities, and automation features that extend the core application functionality. They integrate into Photoshop's plugin architecture and appear as menu items under the Filter or File Import/Export menus. PPI files are plugin files designed for Adobe Photoshop, providing additional filters, effects, import or export capabilities, and automation features that extend the core application functionality. They integrate into Photoshop's plugin architecture and appear as menu items under the Filter or File Import/Export menus. Essential file access for PPI relies upon the utility Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows shows limited details, so safe use requires knowing which program the plugin belongs to. We are checking for a viable reader. Right-click your PPI file and select Open With. Use Adobe Photoshop if installed. If it's not there, try a different program. We need to find the correct decoder. If your PPI file will not open yet, do not panic. We're dealing with a highly specific PPI file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, copy to Plugins folder. Locate your Photoshop plugins directory, typically at c.ouch program. Files Adobe Photoshop plugins on Windows, or Applications Adobe Photoshop plugins on macOS. Copy the PPI file into this directory or an appropriately named subfolder within it. Next, restart Photoshop. Close and relaunch Adobe Photoshop. During startup, Photoshop scans the plugins directory and loads all compatible plugin files. Check the Filter menu or File then Import/Export menus for the newly installed plugin. If it does not appear, verify the file is in the correct directory. Finally, troubleshoot compatibility. If the plugin does not load, verify it matches your Photoshop version and system architecture, 32-bit versus 64-bit. Check for additional DLL or framework dependencies that may need to be installed alongside the PPI file. Review the plugin publisher's documentation for specific installation requirements and compatibility notes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.